Keyword Explorer.
Keyword Explorer. Okay. So this is working as the Chrome extension and also same like the tool, keyword extension, Chrome extension, and here as well. So if you are doing research for this product, you come here and you can find the Keyword Explorer from here. This data is also coming from the Amazon. So when we come to Keyword Explorer, we are gonna find out top impression keyword, top click, and the top sales keyword for specifically any product. So if you are on the product detail page or on Amazon search page, you are gonna find out the keywords, which is this guy, our product, this one, this guy. Getting more top three. It's Amazon, we can only see top three impression and the clicks. So if you want to see more, just click here to go to the here, or if you just copy its ASIN, come to tool, Keyword Explorer tool, put here. Meanwhile, you can search weekly, monthly, and the different months, different week as you wish. Just select the monthly, select the August, and they get the keyword. And this guy has 119 keywords. At least this guy is on top three in terms of impression or clicks. You can see the keywords here as vertical. Go down, you are gonna see those keywords. And then horizontally, you can see keywords metrics. And this, it means cordless vacuum cleaner is kind of general conversion. Sometimes we see high conversion, high converting keyword. Love it vacuum cordless. Why it's hard, why it's high converting? The primary reason would be, I think, people are searching exactly what they need to buy. Love it is brand name.
Brand
So they
name.
are buying
Yes.
this keyword, therefore we label it as high converting keyword. Also, there is another keyword, Tinoco vacuum, but we don't know any data related. It's high converting general or less, etc. So here we are gonna see keyword search volume. We are gonna see the trends, search volume, how it's changing over the year, month, etc. We are gonna see search frequency, SFR. This is also coming from Amazon Seller Central. You can see the change of ranking, how it's changed every month. Rank grow, how it's changing every month. This also coming comparison of selected 2 months. For example, we selected here August. So we are comparing SFR of this keyword August and July. Okay, this is the click-through rate of this keyword, CTR. And the next one is conversion rate of the keyword. This also coming from search query performance. As you know, the higher conversion, better conversion, because like when we compare these two, this is kind of twice better because the customer buys 2 times more product when they are searching these two keywords. And you can see those three most clicked. We analyze the click, not the only impression. We put here the ASIN, three biggest ASIN who got clicks. You know, on the Amazon, you can see impression and the clicks. Here we only see clicks. We have another tool everywhere when we do keyword research. Even just before this tool, we explained the search. We explained the keyword research tool. Here, the keyword research tool. Any keyword you find here, any keyword, just let me quickly show you. You find this keyword you can find, okay, sorry, not here actually. You can find out the most impression keyword. Yeah, actually you can see from here, most impression and the most click, but here only we see only click the product, here we target as a click. Like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. They are getting most click from this keyword. So from here, you also can kind of understand like the who got the more click, who got more click, probably also getting more sales, because it's the average conversion ratio and the listings got the clicks, and probably if they are not making sales, they cannot stuck there long time. They are gonna lose to another seller. So this is the very quick way how we use it on the Amazon. If you are doing anything like cordless, we use it to find out any products quick, exact the keyword, where they are getting the key sales. This Bissell, I'm coming to Bissell, this listing detail, product detail page, and here we see they are getting more clicks from here. Bissell, cordless vacuum cleaner, paid here, Bissell, etc., etc. It's very quick view without going to depth into SellerSprite website. As a Chrome extension, you are gonna find out what the keywords they have and what the most clicks they are getting. If you wanna go to more deeper, just click all the view. We are gonna send you to last week data. If you want to find out different months, different year, different week, you just select from here and then find the keyword. We are going to show you exactly keyword where they are getting the clicks.
Yelchin, can we then filter by, let's say we want to find the highest conversion rate keyword? Can we put those on top? Like we have like 6.10, 6.47, but can we use the filter to show the from up to down, from the highest converting keyword to the lowest, say, maybe through filter there, or could we do that?
Here we have filtration. We can see high
only
converting
high.
keyword and
Yeah,
say
yeah.
it.
Okay, so it
They
doesn't
don't
have
have any high converting. Then general.
Okay,
They
that's
have
nice.
9. I understand. You mean descending, ascent, descent, like we have always all the tools we have.
Oh, there you go.
Maybe we don't need we just select this one all and then conversion rate. This is rank change. No, here we don't have that tool.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry. Exactly we can sort according to search frequency ranking or rank change or rank grow, or somewhere we have this mark like this one.
Yeah. Okay, it's clear. But it's still nice. Yeah, we can see, for example, search frequency rank, this can help us also find specific keywords, or if before that we filtered by show me only general conversion keywords vs non-conversion keywords, so that can also give us ideas for where which keywords are performing better for them, or generally performing better for the category. Yeah.
If you want to save any keyword like general keyword like search, and for example you like this keyword, this one, you select from here and then add to my list. This is my previous list, and I can add to my previous list, or I can create new one, like add to my list, and you can create Devon podcast or whatever we say podcast, and I'm just putting this label here as well and save. So we created one folder, and we added this keyword here, save. And this keyword have been added in the file. Ultimately, when you need to go to find out, you can just click the 1 second keyword. Okay, keyword list. Yeah, my keyword list. Here is that. I don't want to go there. All my keywords lists are there, but you can go to On the keyword list, you are gonna find out
Yeah.
file, which we put the Evan podcast. You can find all those keywords inside of that file. Maybe you can later use those for your PPC, for other stuff, or as you like.
100%, man. Makes sense. Pretty cool.